My name is Jeff Gallus. I'm the Director of Property Management for Edward Rose & Sons, Bloomfield Hills Division. I started with the company 23 years ago as a turnover technician. Throughout my career, there were several opportunities that opened themselves up to me. It's been a wonderful experience for me. I'm glad that I chose Edward Rose & Sons as my career. When you join our team, you're joining a corporation that's been in business for 100 years. It's family owned and operated, and it truly feels like family. Edward Rose & Sons has an expansive portfolio nationally. There are multiple career paths within each community, such as ground maintenance, turnover maintenance, and leasing consultants.
Well, my name is Rebecca King. I have been a leasing agent for about 2.5 years now. And I love my job. I pretty much get to help people find their new home. Our company is pretty awesome. They stay up with technology trends, so that actually makes the experience for the resident easier, more convenient, and just more enjoyable. And it makes our job easier, so I like that. I actually live at my property that I work at, so it's awesome. My commute to work is so short, and they give you a nice discount on your rent too for living and working at one of their properties. I just got promoted as assistant property manager at one of our apartment communities. I'm very excited to grow professionally.
Hi, my name is Tyler McBride. I've worked groundskeeping for Edward Rose for about 6 months now. I like my job because I get to make the land look nice and get to see my progress afterward.
My name is Andrew Gallion, and I work for Edward Rose. I've been with the company for 9 years. I like my job. I get to do an array of different things every single day, from furnaces to ACs to plumbing. I get to work with a lot of different people here at Edward Rose. It's a great place to work.
I'm KATHRYN Brown. I've been working here for 3 years at Edward Rose & Sons. I really enjoy working here because of the environment, the team that we do have here. I'm here at the pool working. Don't get any better than that.
Hello, I'm KATHRYN Morris, Executive Director of HR for Edward Rose & Sons. We are so excited to offer our employees a competitive compensation and benefits platform, including robust healthcare policies, generous paid time off, apartment discounts, and a 401k with a generous employer match. And we want to make it easy for you to apply. Just go to our career page, locate a position or positions that you're interested in applying for, click, and you're well on your way to what could be an exciting and rewarding career with us. Once on board, you can have opportunities for career development and advancement utilizing resources such as our Edward Rose University e-learning platform, as well as hands-on training.
Hi, I'm Warren Rose, third generation CEO of Edward Rose & Sons, a 100-year-old building company in Michigan, and we'd be honored to have you on our team.